Longjing Shrimp, an elegant traditional Hangzhou dish with its fresh tea aroma and fresh shrimp fusion. An unforgettable meal. Today, we will explore step by step how to make this delicious dish at home. Are you ready? Let's start this cooking journey in about 5 minutes. Let the aroma of Longjing Shrimp fill your kitchen. Preparation materials: 150g shrimps, 5g fresh Longjing tea leaves, 1 egg white, appropriate amount of salt, a little sugar, appropriate amount of starch, cornstarch, appropriate amount of fresh soup or water, appropriate amount of vegetable oil. Step 1. Shrimp processing. First, we need to prepare the shrimps. Wash the shrimps and remove the shrimp strings, then lightly mix the shrimps with salt and egg whites. Finally, sprinkle some starch. Coat the shrimp with a thin layer of starch. This will keep the shrimps fresh and tender during the cooking process. Step 2. Brewing Longjing tea. Next, brew Longjing tea with hot water, about 80 degrees Celsius. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the tea leaves to fully release their aroma. Then filter out the tea leaves, leaving only the fragrant tea. We will use this tea to cook shrimp in the next step. Step 3. Fry the shrimps. Preheat the wok and add a little vegetable oil. When the oil temperature rises to 70% hot, gently add the prepared shrimp. Stir fry quickly until the surface of the shrimp changes color. This time, the shrimps are 80% cooked. Take them out quickly and set aside. Step 4. Season. Pour the pre-brewed Longjing tea into the same wok. Add a little sugar to taste. After the tea boils, pour the fried shrimps back into the pot. Stir fry quickly so that the shrimps can completely absorb the aroma of the tea. Step 5. Thicken the soup and serve. When the shrimp is almost cooked, you can add an appropriate amount of starch water to thicken as needed. Let the soup of the dish tighten slightly. Finally, place the shrimps on a plate and drizzle with an appropriate amount of hot oil to increase the gloss. A dish of Longjing shrimps with full color, flavor is completed. Maintaining heat and speed during cooking is key. This ensures the perfect fusion of the freshness of the shrimp and the aroma of the tea. Longjing shrimp not only tastes fresh, but also has nutritional value. It is a refreshing dish suitable for spring and summer. Invite your family or friends to enjoy this delicious home-cooked dish. Share your cooking results. Remember, food can not only satisfy our taste buds, it can also shorten the distance between people. Longjing shrimp, with its unique flavor, brings a touch of spring color and freshness to your dining table. Summary tips: shrimp selection. Try to choose fresh shrimps. The dish is made this way will be more delicious. Control the heat. Shrimps cook easily, therefore, when frying, the heat must be controlled to avoid overheating and causing the shrimps to become old. Tea. Water temperature. The water temperature when brewing Longjing tea should not be too high. The optimal temperature is about 80 degrees Celsius. Too high temperature will destroy the aroma of Longjing tea. Tips for thickening. Make sure the soup in the pot is boiling when thickening. In this way, the starch can be completely dissolved and the juice of the dish will be bright and not cloudy. Go through the above steps. You can easily make a delicious Longjing shrimp at home, whether it is a daily gathering or a holiday celebration. This dish doubles as an exquisite appetizer. Give people a comfortable enjoyment. Finally, don't forget to take photos too. Record your work or share this moment of happiness and sense of accomplishment with friends. Cooking is not only a life skill, it is an art of creating a better life. Every dish carries the emotion and story of the maker. Longjing shrimp is no exception. Hope this video tutorial inspires your love of cooking. Let you enjoy the fun brought by delicious food. Now you have mastered all the techniques for making Longjing shrimps. Why not try to share this delicious food and love with more people? Remember that the Greatest charm of good food is sharing. I wish you go further and further on the road of cooking and discover more delicious secrets. Make life more exciting with delicious food.